High Noon sells millions of cans annually, making it one of the best-selling hard seltzers on the market by volume. Made from vodka and real fruit, it is popular among health-conscious consumers who are concerned about artificial sugars in their alcoholic drinks. But how are these refreshing beverages made? Research and innovation were the driving forces behind the first iteration of the High Noon ready-to-drink line. The brand's parent company, Gallo, intended to release High Noon as an 80-proof vodka as part of their expanding spirits business. However, market research showed a gap in hard seltzers made from vodka, and a new idea was born. During the research and development phase, the team combines market research teams and beverage experts to create new flavors and products. Recipe development is another key part of the research and innovation phase. It involves combining the vodka base with different amounts of fruit juices to create a drink that perfectly balances the alcohol and fruit. By the end of the process, the research team has recipes with precise proportions of ingredients necessary to produce various drinks in the High Noon flavor line. Vodka and real fruit juice are the primary ingredients in High Noon. The vodka used in High Noon is produced with Midwest corn and distilled 5 times to create a neutral flavored vodka that gives the seltzers a smooth texture. The High Noon Spirits Company collaborates with Midwest manufacturers to produce the vodka. In these facilities, the production process begins with sourcing corn from Midwestern farmlands. The corn is cleaned to remove impurities and mixed with water and yeast to form a mash. The mash is left to ferment for between 1 and 2 weeks. During the fermentation process, the yeast breaks down the sugars in the corn to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. The ethanol is then filtered out in readiness for distillation, a key step in producing neutral vodka. The ethanol produced from the fermentation process combines water and alcohol. Distillation separates the two. Distillation involves 2 main processes, heating and condensation. Since alcohol evaporates at a lower temperature than water, heating the fermented liquid turns the alcohol into a gas, which is collected and condensed into liquid alcohol. During distillation, toxic substances like methane and acetone are removed from the alcohol. This is possible through fractional distillation, which isolates each product based on its boiling point. High Noon uses vodka that has been distilled 5 times, resulting in a neutral flavor that forms the perfect base for their ready-to-drink seltzers. High Noon is a hard seltzer with a vodka base. The production process combines sparkling water, vodka, natural fruit juice, and fruit extracts until the desired flavor is achieved. Unlike other seltzers, High Noon is a non-carbonated drink designed to be refreshing regardless of the social event. After mixing the ingredients, the resulting beverages are canned. Before canning, the aluminum cans are rinsed and sanitized in a twist rinser and then pumped with carbon dioxide to eliminate any oxygen inside. This process contributes to the freshness of the drink post-production. The cans are loaded on a conveyor belt, which delivers them to a filling station. Each can is automatically filled. The machines add extra beverages during filling to account for spillage before the can is lidded. The filled cans are then conveyed to the lidding section, where a lid is automatically dropped on each can. Finally, the covered drinks move to the sealer, where the lids are spun at high speeds to position them on the can and compress air from the can. Finally, the cans are seamed with seaming rollers that crimp the edges of the can and the lid, sealing the beverage. The canning and sealing processes tend to cause spills on the drinks. These are cleaned up after sealing, right before the canned beverages are passed through a tunnel pasteurizer. The canned drinks are heated and cooled rapidly to deter microbial growth. Once canned and pasteurized, High Noon cans are packed for distribution. High Noon Spirits Companies packs their beverages in 4-packs, variety 8 and 12-packs, 18-packs, and 24-packs. As part of the company's commitment to sustainable packaging, the company uses loose packaging instead of multi-can fiber carries for the 24-pack tray. Once packaged, High Noon is distributed to stores across all 50 states for consumers to buy. High Noon drinks undergo a thorough quality control process to ensure their products remain popular among consumers. Part of this includes selecting ingredients from responsible suppliers. The brand's parent company works with suppliers who adhere to regulatory requirements for quality and internal quality guidelines. Before a new High Noon flavor is released, it undergoes an extensive development process to ensure that it can be replicated every time. High Noon strictly uses vodka made from Midwestern corn. The Midwest is a popular source of high-quality corn in the U.S., making it a prime supplier for the company. The vodka is also distilled 5 times to ensure it achieves the desired alcohol purity and natural flavor. This provides a suitable base to build upon when adding natural fruit juice. Each step of the production process is also monitored, with quality teams checking to ensure that each can have been filled and sealed appropriately. This also includes labeling all products with batch numbers and nutritional information. High Noon is the first of its kind in America. This fruity seltzer is popular for its refreshing flavors and natural ingredients, and it sells millions of cans annually. Despite these sales, High Noon is a relatively young brand launched in 2019. It's a brand of Gallo, previously E&J Gallo Winery. Gallo was founded in 1933 as a winery by 2 brothers, Ernest and Julio Gallo. They started producing wine and became one of the best wineries in the California region. The 2 brothers had attempted to start the company during the Prohibition period, but they were informed they would need to own vineyards for their applications to be approved. The 2 pooled their resources and began their wine production career. By the end of the first year, they had produced 177,000 gallons of wine. The company remained a wine producer for decades. In 1975, the company broadened its product range to include spirits. In 2019, the spirits division was developing an 80-proof vodka product. However, market research indicated a growing popularity of hard seltzers. For E&J Gallo, this was a growth opportunity they couldn't miss. Further market research indicated that most seltzers used alcohol from cane sugar or brewed malt. The company set High Noon apart by giving it a real vodka base, which has been one of the distinguishing factors for this band and a major contributor to the beverage's success today. High Noon was also designed with the health-conscious consumer in mind. Each High Noon can contain 100 calories, derived from the natural fruit juice and fruit extracts used during manufacturing. Despite costing slightly more than other hard seltzers, High Noon's simple, natural, and recognizable ingredients and the absence of added sugars and artificial flavors have positioned this brand as a leader in the seltzer market. It is also a gluten-free product, making it a popular drink for gluten-sensitive customers. The success of High Noon was immediate after its May 2019 release, surpassing even the manufacturer's expectations. The company continued to grow despite the pandemic. Part of this was the product's merits and the company's strategic collaborations as part of its marketing initiative. One impactful collaboration was with Barstool Sports, a sports media company that has collaborated with High Noon since 2020. The beverage was also positioned as a fun drink suitable for all social gatherings throughout the year. The minimal alcohol content at 4.5 ABV is also a significant draw for consumers who want a canned cocktail product that doesn't leave them with a crushing hangover. The company also adapted its 2020 marketing strategy by introducing the virtual happy hour, introducing consumers to alternative ways to enjoy their tropical-themed hard seltzers at home. High Noon debuted with 4 flavors but has expanded its range to include more tropical fruits. The current flavor offerings include grapefruit, pineapple, black cherry, mango, watermelon, peach, lime, lemon, kiwi, guava, and passion fruit. High Noon has also ventured into other seltzer categories. In 2023, High Noon launched tequila-based seltzers and vodka iced tea in 2024. High Noon is an innovative product designed for health-conscious consumers. Because it uses real vodka, natural fruit juice, and 100 calories, the drink has become one of the top sellers by volume. Have you tried High Noon? Let us know your favorite flavors in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.